What's going on, family? This is not financial advice. Do your own research. It's going to get into a simple strategy that you can use day trading stocks or the S&P, whatever you like to trade. So we're just going to get an overall view of the market. We got the S&P big red candle on this chart right here. We're at critical support. We're also at a moving average um, and confluence with support. So we're at moving average with a critical support, and we have a hammer um, on this chart. So as you can see, so we could be potentially bouncing sometime this week, or come some consolidation. We got everything is at critical levels. We got Microsoft critical level, follow through on the big rejection candle. We got Tesla, nice red candle, no follow through yet, but they're stopping at this critical level. Then we got Apple, follow through off the rejection candle, at resistance, and we got follow through on Apple as well. So everything is looking really bearish at this moment. They are going to continue with the rate hike, so the market is kind of having a reality check at this moment. So what I'm watching, it looks like the market is in a nice downtrend at this point, and we could have a potential bounce back to the upside, but I'm thinking the target right now would probably be around 3,800 to 3,850 area. So that looks like where the market wants to go, somewhere in this range, back down here. So once again, we are at support. So keep that in mind. We're gonna kind of zoom to the smaller time frame so we can find some support levels. So the first support level that we got is obviously where we're at right now. So we got a moving average down here, 39. What's that? 39.50 to 39.60. That's obviously support. And if we zoom on down, we can see the moving average. We're at a moving average. We're at support. So the level moving average is 39.40. So 39.40 to 39.60. This is a strong level. Even down here, if they come down in this area, we're still at strong support. So I'm going to use these levels as support and resistance. So this is our major support right now where they bounced. This is the major level. So we want to write that on our chart. And then we have the other level, which is down here. So both of these are major levels of support. Pretty much anywhere down here right now. So I'm just going to keep these. And then we have the major resistance up here. Right? The major resistance that we got right now. That prices continued to drop at. All right, so we got a major resistance up here going all the way back up to 40.30, 40.35 area. Then we have a nice range that they're in now. So we got 40.16 to 39.45. So this is the range that we're in right now. So this is all we want to watch. So this is the first level of resistance right here. You can see prices has continuously stopped here at this level. So this is 40.16. So we got the most touches on this level. So you know it's a strong resistance. And then I'm going to highlight this for you so you can see it a little better. All right. So we got this level. Actually, that's worse. I'm going to make this red so you can see it better. So we got this critical level right here. Right. And then we got the support down here. And I'm going to highlight this for you so you can see it a little better. Bingo. Here we go. All right, let's make these both the same color. All right, so you can see it. So we got, this is the range that we're in. So this is the critical level. We got plenty of touches right here. Broke out of it once. So this level is 40.16. This is the level that we'll be putting puts at. We have a gap up here. The gap is at 40.12. So if price trends up and breaks to the upside, we would expect price to come back to this level. So that would be the target um, if price bounces. So we would be looking to short this area somewhere up in here. They could even come up a little higher to 40.27, but this is the most touches that you would get is off of this level right here. So that is why I have this level drawn here. So then we got the lows, which they should be bouncing down here at 39.46. So we would be expecting to buy calls down here at this zone. So we would look how price reacts off of these two levels, because obviously we're in a range, but we do have gaps on the chart as well. So we want to keep that in mind. So we want to identify the trend. All right. Want to identify the trend for tomorrow. If price trends up, if they gap up, we would not be expecting them to just push on up. We would be expecting this resistance to hold. But if we just slowly trend up for the day, we got to wait how price reacts throughout the day. The price starts to trend, we'll be getting a trend line going. All right, so we do have a series of higher lows here, but there's no telling if this trend line is going to hold. Who knows? But this is the level that we want to be watching right up here. This is a strong level. This is the gap. They could come back to fill this gap. So if we see prices confirming this trend for tomorrow, or even if they start a new one, we'll be looking to buy calls on the pullbacks. And when we get a series of higher lows off the trend line, we'll be looking to buy calls. Even if it doesn't have to be perfect. If they break down a little bit and they close back above this line, we'll be looking to buy calls. And the first target will be 4,000. But the resistance is up here. So we want to be taking some profit at 4,000 because that's the major level. And then this is the resistance that we would be looking to take profit at our call. So this is the resistance and this is the support for tomorrow. And we could just consolidate. So if we consolidate, we want to get the high of day and then we want to get the low of day. So those are just some simple strategies you can use. So I have these level marked for tomorrow because this is what we got. So we have a trend lined up. This is what prices, this is the last trading session. And then we have the highs where prices kept rejecting off of. So they could go higher. They could come up to 40.27, but this is the main resistance, the overall picture that I want to see. This level is where price could be going tomorrow. So 4,000 as well. But if the trend is confirmed tomorrow for the bounce off of support, this is our target. So just keep that in mind. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm going to hit like and subscribe. I will be posting on the Patreon very soon. Just simple videos like this so we can get up to date in the community, man, just trading together. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, man.